ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh.
Hi boys and girls, I'm Mrs O'Connor and I'm on the Purple Carpet. I can't wait to meet you all in September. I hope you have a lovely 6 weeks off and you come back all refreshed and ready to learn. See you soon, bye!
And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will.
Hi boys and girls, my name's Miss Costill and I sit on the green carpet because I've got green fingers and I like to grow things outside. I hope you do too. I can't wait to meet you all in September. We'll have such a fun time. Bye!
2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mrs Bolton and I'm going to be your class teacher next year. You're going to live on the blue carpet with the blue family. I can't wait to see you all in September. Have a lovely summer, stay safe and I'll see you soon. Bye!
That's what friends are supposed to